Hi, welcome to the Yorkshire Dales. It's going to be sunny for a couple of hours, I reckon. So I'm making the most of it because tomorrow and the day after, it's going to rain. So I got myself a new field. And, okay, so far I got a button. Nice little 91 pinger, you know, ping. So, we're on our way. Tiny button. I've given up on 2 fields already. They're absolute full of shiny objects. Silver paper. Couple of buttons is me limit. Oh, and a bit of lead. Oh, things are looking up. A very nice buckle there, look. Nice one. And a curious piece of copper I got. I'll have to clean it up to find out what it is. But hey, at least I got something. A bracelet. A bangle, I should say. The bangles, aren't they, these things? Yeah, child's bangle. It's copper. Or bronze, one of the two. Oh, proving quite useful just here. A button. Oh, well, 3 buttons. No coins. I'm despairing of finding coins today. Oh, maybe I should have gone on eBay, bought some and brought them with me, eh? Rosette. Oh, too much wind. I'll have to clean it up to see if it's a brooch or not. Interesting. Okay, going to call it a day. Rain forecast. I got a lot of work to do. You'll hear the wind as I turn round. It's nice up here tonight. It's quite cool at the moment, but there's a few old clouds threatening. Come to think of it, I haven't done there. Oh well. Oh. There ain't many of them I haven't done. Okay, we'll see you at the roundup. Hello, welcome to the hunt. My goodness, that's a bit sparse. Right, I tried off a new field today. And it was absolutely useless. So I moved on to another which wasn't any better. So I went on to one that I'd been very briefly did before and it turned out quite nice. But anyway, let's have a look what I got. I got a massive, this is a jumbled up chunk of copper, no idea what. This one's easier, it's a copper pipe. This one's easier, copper clip, bit of copper there, bit of, you know, I'm really searching with that GM power mode. Odds and ends. And a huge chunk of lead which was used, see it's been nailed onto something to sort of form a cover or a bracket. But that's the junkite. Now, whoops, look closely, you'll miss them. These are the goodies. Button, okay, a nice button. Very deep, hard to get at. Buttons, although that might be a stud. So that left me with 3 decent finds. I mean, this is it for today. Let's start with this. This is a goodie. Look at that. It's got this solid feel about it. It's not exactly, well, it isn't pressed out of copper as they usually are. This is cast. I'm sure it's cast. It's heavy and it's interesting and it's gritty to feel. All gritty around the edges. Been there a while, I should think. Not sure what that is. Anybody got any ideas? Let's get a really decent picture of it. There you go. Good one though. And then A bangle. Proper bangle. It's old. It's very delicate, but there's no doubt about it. It is a bangle, it's not a ring. Child's, obviously a child's. But there you go. Again, another oldie. And then here, nice buckle. Now I actually got me little bit of silver, look. When I just run my finger across it clean, it was silver plated at one time. I'm getting a lot of these silver plated buckles now. They would have been not for your normal cart horses. I mean, this is decent rig, innit? This is your Sunday best, is this. But like I said, that's the only bit of silver I got. It's a funny thing, silver. Last month, 3 weeks, nothing. I didn't get a single piece of silver, I don't think. And then I got 10 pieces in 8 days. You just get onto the right area and there you go. But today I wasn't. Nice buckle though. No coins, I'm afraid. Oh, well, you know, if coins are there, they're there, and if they're not, they're not. I suppose you could always bring them. If he thinks I'm going to let him off the hook that easy, he's sadly mistaken. Anyway, good luck, happy hunting, and until we see you next time, maybe I might have a few silvers there, hopefully. So, bye. You take care of yourself.